Hi Minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Corinne, your Philly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Chainsaw Man. So excited! This is episode 10 called Bruised and Battered. So I'm sure this is just like everyone recovering. Hopefully Power has come back into the scene because I know she like dipped. A lot of you called it out and it was just hilarious. This is like she totally dipped. But yeah, last episode was crazy. It was a good one. Really saw how ruthless, well, not even ruthless because she's, I guess, taking out the bad guys, but Makima is someone we don't joke about. We don't joke with. We just let her do her thing and we stay out of her way. That's what it feels like. And it's very interesting because, like, you know, when you're reading the subtitles, it's not always accurate to like what the manga says. And so like I read the manga, haha. And it was this, you know, that last scene with, is it Makoto? The last scene with Madoka giving his resignation, it's just like, I think how it was translated in the show is just like, you know, more so just like it's just not safe in general. But in the manga, at least, he says the special division's gotten sinister. It's quit or be killed. And so that makes me concerned because in here he's pretty much blaming the public safety department. So like it makes me think, yeah, like the special divisions is like, it's no, there's something nefarious happening behind scenes. That's what I'm thinking, and that's kind of what I get from McKee. I don't know. So it's just like here, it just seems like we should be a bit more concerned with what's happening in public safety, which makes sense because everything has its faults and its corruption. And I mean, it doesn't have to be this extreme, but no one's perfect, and clearly they're not. But yeah, we're gonna jump in though. If you'd like to check out the full reaction to this episode, you can find it on my Patreon. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. Let's go. Yeah. Peace in it. She just commands everyone, even the TV. I like how, you remember when Aki was taking care of Denji in the hospital and he was like peeling him an apple? Yet these two, the most selfish individuals, but I love them because they're just stupid. What? Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure they're for Aki. He's just like, this is my life. Oh, poor Aki. Power, I swear they're terrible. Was this not for him? You guys, it's like, and he's like torn up because he just lost Himeno. He lost, like, I mean, most of his crew. Oh my gosh, I don't want to hear this. Oh Lord. Ain't that a bitch? How's that Himeno? Oh. She was so cool. I'm so sad we lost her. Aki. And it just feels like he's just so alone because like there's no real there's no real camaraderie. Like, yeah, we're gonna have a little empathy. Oh my gosh, how it's really about himself, which I mean, I don't know. Yeah, maybe, is it because your heart's gone? Yeah. Just don't have any feelings. You lost kind of your humanity. But of course, like for him, he's kind of never really had it, has he? And these two, Sasha and Crollo, that's what I'm calling them. Oh. Okay. Everyone sucks. No one can just give him an apple. But it just shows you, like, kind of just how cutthroat this world is. And it's just like, once you're gone, you're gone. No one really mourns you. And, I mean, you know, Aki will mourn Himeno, but it's just, it's really cold and just frigid. Like, that's sad. Yeah, she's always busy. Oh, okay. Is it that one guy? The guy who drinks? Him, yes, it is him. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Great crew we have here. Who's, guys, this is gonna bug the crap out of me. I know this voice. Oh, he's friendly. Oh, okay. So Division 1, okay. My kind of dude, alright. Is he crushing their... Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. You can heal with blood. Yeah. I like how he just carries blood with him. Is this gonna be like a twisted Kakashi Sensei versus Team 7 situation? Oh my gosh, thanks sis. Ooh, we're just going... No, this man is Jack the Ripper. So we're just gonna kill y'all and train you. Oh my gosh. Cue in the crazy montage of them just all dying. Jesus. Oh, is she dead? Or the fox devil? Because the worm, did the worm snake get to it? He's made so many sacrifices. Okay. Curiouser and curiouser. Lady. This public safety, it's so weird. Like, they're weird. Who's this? Okay, who is this? I wanna... Are they even... You know what? Yeah, it is what it is. Y'all got trained. Jesus! This is ridiculous. These two. Are they gonna be okay out here in the desert? Like, what if some bad guy... I love how they give each other this, like, pep talk. They're just such dweebs, like... Tweedledee and Tweedledum over here. They're so dumb. 100 plans already. She's so funny. I can't. I think that he's so... What? What are they wearing? What? Power with her hair pulled back. What on earth? Whoa! Pow! I mean, for him it's nothing, but good on her to think of some plans like that. Damn. 1, 2, 3. Whack him. I will call this man sensei. Take your fucking glasses with you, Denji. They thought they were so smart. Dressing up like nerds. This is literally Kakashi Team 7. I love this. I just let Pal eat. This man. This whole relationship is ridiculous. This is a train. No, it's an elevator. These guys, so interesting. It's just crazy because it's just like it's like you got to make a contract, and it's just like you're pretty much signing up to die when you join public safety. Because to find a weapon, it's like, what's the cost? It is none of your business. Oh, Himeno's sister? Were these like from Himeno or something? Yeah, interesting. Interesting. See, Himeno was on to something. She could see past the wolves, or the sheep's clothing. And they just choose? You don't get a choice? Oh, the future devil. This is ridiculous that this is how they do this. Hello? Anyone home? I'm not nervous. This is fine. This is fine. It's crazy they have so many just like kept... Oh God. What's in the shadows? Oh God. What on earth? That's it. It's a good song. This is a cool visual. Yeah, it's like a blend between like the actual animation and like real life it looked like, which is cool. That was really cool. That was a cool ending. Okay. I'm not going to look up that guy's name, their new sensei, because I feel like we're not supposed to know his name yet, so I won't. But I just want to know who the voice actor is, because I know that voice, and gosh darn, as soon as someone says who it is, like, I'll be like, of course, but I'm just drawing a blank. But yeah, this was a very interesting episode, just because it's like, it's just a very cold job being a part of the public safety division, which is so interesting because like Division 4, like how to really, I don't know, they were, it felt different with them, like especially when they were all together, you know, getting drinks and stuff and just being happy when, you know, the rest of them were alive. But it's just like, it feels like Aki lost his family, except for like Kobeni, but still it's just like not, you know, Kobeni was more like, I think Himeno's kind of young sapling kind of thing. So it's just, yeah, I just feel really bad for him. And it's just like what I was saying before, when you join the public safety, it seems like you are signing your life away. Even if you, beat all the devils, there's still like a sacrifice you're going to have to make, because to be a part of this crew, you got to have contracts. You got it. So it's just the fact that they just were like, yep, this is the one that you're going to go with now. And it will probably take your spleen and your spine when you're done, but you're going to do it. It's just crazy just to think like, it's just that of a, just do it. This is what you got to do. I don't know. So for Aki, I don't know. I just kind of want to give him a hug, because it's just like he's been through a lot. I know he's going to avenge people, but it's just like he's just throwing his life away. And that curse devil, just saying he has like 2 years left. Like, that's just so sad. And like, I'm glad he got those letters from Himeno, because it just seems like Himeno like just understood what they were really losing. The cost of being a part of the public safety division, and perhaps the corruption that's there again with what is it, Madoka. I think he was seeing it too, and it's just like, I mean, and maybe they all do see it, but they don't care. They're just going to do it to fight the good cause or what. But this is a very, very interesting show, and it's like, it's hard for me to feel good about everything that they're doing. Like, and the whole thing that there's the sensei was saying to Denji and I just want to say Power, like, y'all are toys that I can break. And like, again, they're not humans, but it's uncomfortable sometimes to see them be dehumanized. But at the same time, they're also not good individuals. Like, Denji isn't really good. Like, he just, if the gun devil was like, all right, Denji, join my crew, I will give you, 3 meals a day, extra jam and toast. I'll give you a lady on the side, get you a game, get you a PS5, get you a new phone. Like, Denji would be on that side. So it's like, he's not a good person. Or I guess there's no good and bad. It's just, it's just like, you can't, I don't know. Like, I can't fully root for him, because at the same time, he has like lost his humanity, because it's like he wouldn't cry for Aki, even though Aki is, I don't know. It's weird. I like it, but it's just, it makes you think differently about a protagonist and, what they're fighting for. I think that will be it for this conversation, but I'll definitely talk with y'all in the comments about it, because I'd like to hear what y'all think about this show so far, and like the plot, and like some of the messages being given. I don't know, it's interesting but good. But yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next reaction. Bye.